August the 19th, what's for dinner is a bacon ranch and chicken pizza. That's what's for dinner tonight. I meant to film last night as well, and last night's dinner on August the 18th was blade steak, macaroni and cheese, and a roll on the side. August the 20th, what's for dinner tonight is another just quick, simple kind of meal. Very easy, but it is just using the white sub bread that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I have a honey ham on there, cheese, lots of lettuce, I love lots of lettuce, tomatoes, mayonnaise, and I'm going to eat this with a side of potato chips. August the 21st, what's for dinner tonight? I made Mississippi roast, and if this is uploaded already, because I've done an in the kitchen video, I will link it below. And we're having green beans with this and homemade mashed potatoes, and that's what's for dinner. August the 22nd, what's for dinner tonight? We are having burgers. So I have a ground beef burger here on a bun, cheese, mayonnaise, lettuce, and tomato on mine, and I'm gonna eat that with chips because I forgot to get fries at the grocery. And I'm also making a pan of brownies for something sweet to eat later. August the 23rd, what's for dinner tonight? I made shake and bake chicken drumsticks, and I made boiled potatoes, and you add butter, cheese, whatever you want to those. It's basically a baked potato, just in boiled form. And I have cheesy broccoli rice. That's what's for dinner. August the 26th, what's for dinner tonight? We're having homemade mashed potatoes and chicken gravy, a crock pot chicken breast with chicken gravy. There'll be a recipe for that soon, and a roll, and that is what's for dinner tonight. August the 28th, what's for dinner tonight? We're having breakfast for dinner, so I have gravy and biscuits, fried eggs, and a sausage patty, and that is what's for dinner tonight, August the 28th. And the 27th, we actually had pizza and roasted marshmallows outside by the fire. August the 29th, what's for dinner tonight? I made a easy, cheesy ravioli lasagna dish. There will be an upcoming in the kitchen video on this, so stay tuned. If it's already up, it will be linked in the description box. Smells absolutely delicious. We're going to serve this with garlic bread, and that is what is for dinner tonight on August the 29th. August the 30th, what's for dinner? Tonight is just a quick meal. I've been babysitting all day and stuff. So we're having hot dogs and chili. So I just have a bun, of course, hot dog, mustard, cheese, and with chili on top. September the 2nd, what's for dinner? Today I made marinated garlic and herb pork chops, corn on the cob, fried potatoes with some toast, and that's what's for dinner. September the 6th, what's for dinner? Tonight we have breakfast again, but a couple different things. So we have some toast, I fried up a couple eggs, I like my eggs runny, sausage, and southern hash browns. And that's what's for dinner. Now, a few days I did forget to film. We had chili cheese tots one night, quick little dinner I've mentioned before, and kind of a fun one for the kids. And we also had a buffalo ranch drumsticks with like potatoes and stuff. And yeah, so I'm a little bit behind. September the 7th, what's for dinner? Tonight we made spaghetti and garlic bread, and yes, that is what's for dinner tonight. September the 10th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made a one of those quick little banquet rib patties. These actually are pretty tasty. I know that it's not the greatest for you, but in a pinch they're pretty okay to have in your freezer. I fixed a couple rolls with that. To go with that, because that was one of those quick little fixed dinner box things, I made homemade mashed potatoes, and I also made corn on the cob to go with that. September the 11th, what's for dinner? Tonight I just made some burgers. I have a cheese on mine with a little bit of mayonnaise, and I made a homemade potato salad. So that's what's for dinner tonight. September the 13th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made chicken breast in the crock pot with chicken broth, and they are so tender and delicious. We've done this before. I've even done a semi-video on this, and the In the Kitchen playlist will be linked below. We're having a Steam Fresh pack from Bird's Eye, and this is the chicken flavored rice with veggies, so it has broccoli and carrots in there as well. And then also with another Steam pack, these are sweet potatoes, and we're having this as a side as well. So tonight we're having crockpot chicken with rice, veggie rice, and sweet potatoes, and that's what's for dinner. What's for dinner? September the 15th. Tonight I made a mesquite flavored pork tenderloin, green beans, and I made a new kind of potato recipe. These are red potatoes, and they are garlic and parmesan, and I am going to do a video soon on these as well. I did try one. They are delicious. You guys are going to love this side dish, and it is so easy and quick. Takes no time to prepare and cook. So that is what's for dinner, and don't forget the In the Kitchen playlist is linked below as well. Sorry I quit doing the video clips real quickly, just mainly because I didn't feel like doing them. I still wanted to take pictures of the food, of the meals that we had. I hope you guys still enjoy the end of this video. Stay tuned for more what's for dinner videos. This is number 4. I'm sure there will be a part 5 coming sometime. So I hope you guys enjoyed our meals, and if you want to know any additional information about recipes or anything like that, leave comments below. Check the description box for additional links and an In the Kitchen playlist. And thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. It means so much to me.